Welcome. Today, we're diving into a powerful financial concept that can change the way women build wealth: infinite banking. In this video, we'll explore how this strategy can help you take control of your money, protect your family's future, and build generational wealth. What is infinite banking? First things first, what exactly is infinite banking? It's a financial strategy that allows you to use whole life insurance as a personal bank. Sounds a little strange, right? But stick with me, because this approach can give you control over your money and offer financial freedom. At its core, infinite banking is about building a system that lets you borrow from your own policy, pay yourself back with interest, and grow your money at the same time. You're creating your own bank, one that's safe, reliable, and growing for you. And as you'll see, this system can have a huge impact on building wealth for you and your family. Why is infinite banking especially powerful for women? Now, let's talk about why infinite banking is such a game changer for women in particular. Women, on average, tend to live longer than men and often find themselves in a position where they need to manage finances for longer periods. Whether it's for their children's education, retirement, or taking care of loved ones, women face unique challenges when it comes to financial security. Infinite banking offers a solution. It's a strategy that helps women grow wealth that can be passed down through generations. Imagine not having to rely on traditional banks, credit cards, or loans when emergencies arise. You're the one in charge. You can decide when and how to borrow, and the best part? The money you borrow from your policy is still growing. How infinite banking helps you build wealth. So, how exactly does this strategy build wealth? The concept revolves around whole life insurance, which provides both a death benefit and a cash value. The cash value is like an investment that grows over time. The beauty of whole life insurance is that it's a stable, predictable investment, unlike other types of insurance or investments that can fluctuate wildly. Here's the kicker. You can borrow against the cash value in your policy for almost anything, from paying off high-interest debt, funding your children's education, or even starting a business. The loans are easy to access, and you get to decide how much and when you borrow. What's amazing is that your money keeps growing even when you borrow it. That's because the insurance company uses your loan as collateral, but your cash value continues to earn interest. So, while you're using the money, you're still building wealth. Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below, the benefits of infinite banking for women. Now, let's break down the key benefits of infinite banking that specifically empower women to build wealth. Financial control and flexibility. Women tend to juggle multiple financial responsibilities. Infinite banking gives you the flexibility to access funds when you need them, without the stress of traditional banking systems. You're not at the mercy of credit card companies or loan officers. You control the terms, the timing, and the repayment. Generational wealth building. Infinite banking isn't just about short-term financial goals. It's a long-term strategy that grows with you. And as you pay into your policy, you're building something that can be passed down to your children or grandchildren. This gives you the opportunity to leave a lasting legacy that can provide financial security for generations to come. Tax advantages. The cash value in your whole life insurance policy grows tax deferred. That means you don't pay taxes on the growth until you withdraw it. If you structure your policy right, you can even take tax-free loans against the cash value. This is a huge advantage when you're building wealth for the future. Protection against market volatility. As many women are cautious about risk, infinite banking offers stability. Unlike stocks, real estate, or other investments that can lose value, your cash value in a whole life insurance policy is guaranteed to grow at a steady rate. You don't have to worry about market crashes affecting your wealth. How infinite banking fits into your financial plan. So how can infinite banking fit into your overall financial plan? The beauty of this strategy is that it can complement other aspects of your finances. For example, you can use infinite banking alongside traditional retirement accounts like 401s, 401ks, or IRAs. It doesn't replace them, it enhances them. Think of it as an additional layer of protection for your wealth. It gives you a safe place to store your money while still allowing it to grow. Plus, because you control the policy, you can access it whenever you need it. This makes it a great option for women who want financial security but don't want to rely on the unpredictable nature of stock markets or traditional savings accounts. Start with the Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below, what to look for in an infinite banking policy. Not all life insurance policies are created equal. If you're considering infinite banking, it's important to choose a whole life insurance policy that fits your needs. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Strong dividends. Look for a company that has a history of paying strong dividends. These dividends are reinvested into your policy, allowing your cash value to grow even faster. Financial stability of the insurance company. You want a company that's financially stable and has a strong track record. This ensures that your policy will be there for the long haul. Flexible terms. Choose a policy with flexible terms that allows you to adjust your contributions over time. This way, you can scale the policy to match your financial situation. Long-term focus. Infinite banking is a long-term strategy. Be prepared to commit to paying into your policy over the years so that it can grow and benefit you in the future. Getting started with infinite banking. Getting started with infinite banking might seem like a big step, but it's a manageable process if you take it one step at a time. Start by researching companies that offer whole life insurance and speaking with a financial advisor who specializes in infinite banking. Once you choose your policy, you'll begin making regular contributions, and over time, your cash value will grow. As you pay into the policy, you'll have access to that cash value, and you'll begin to see the wealth-building benefits unfold. If this message made you think differently about money, banks, or protecting your family's future, the next step is not a sales call. Infinite banking is a long-term strategy, not a product, and it's not right for everyone. To help determine whether this approach fits someone's goals, cash flow, and expectations, we've created a short infinite banking strategy review. Start with the strategy review linked below. If it appears to be a potential fit, you'll be invited to schedule a brief, educational conversation. No pressure, no obligation, just clarity. Thanks for watching, and here's to building a brighter, wealthier future. Start with the strategy review linked below.